Asthma is the most common disease among children. In Denmark, we have 20% of before school age children that suffer from asthma, so 1 out of 5. After school age, it's a little bit less, 10%, still a lot of children, and among adults, it's 4%. So asthma is a big burden for our society economically, but also for all the affected families and children. And my study shows that when we are exposed to ambient air pollution with particles, the risk of developing asthma increase. And therefore, we recommend to reduce and eliminate the sources of air pollution with particles.
Wood smoke contains many of the same harmful substances that we find in tobacco smoke. Wood smoke increases risk of cancer, stroke, number of cardiovascular diseases, COPD, asthma, pneumonia, and even diabetes. Wood smoke contributes to several hundred premature deaths in Denmark every year.
Vi har besluttet at fjerne vores brændeovn, fordi det vi fik ud af den ikke stod mål med det besvær, vi havde med den. Vi er glade for at have fået pladsen over i hjørnet, og den hygge, vi havde ved ovnen, som sådan en ovn jo giver, det fanger vi med vores skærm, vores fladskærm der. Og så vil jeg sige, at jeg er også blevet opmærksom på, uden jeg sådan har 100% belæg for det, men hvad jeg hører mig frem til og læser mig frem til, så er afskaffelsen af ovnen i vores hus jo også et bidrag til både et godt indeklima, men altså også i forhold til miljøet derude.
Smoke-free heating is the way forward. We need district heating in cities and heat pump outside cities. Thereby, we can both avoid the dangerous, health-damaging indoor air pollution from wood stoves as well as outdoor air pollution here in the residential areas. And if you want to have a cozy atmosphere, you can always use an electric fireplace, creating no indoor air pollution.